welcome. Make yourself comfortable on this channel. We talk about ways to accelerate your healing, your growth, your soul expansion. I'm a transformational life coach. I'm a quantum energy healer. I'm a mom, a wife, a daughter, a sister, and so many more hats. You are here not by accident, but because you were supposed to be here. Nice, welcome. So this morning I woke up and I thought I was gonna make a video to talk about a certain subject, and turns out that's not the subject I'm supposed to talk about. I did a little meditation, I tuned in, I connected with myself, my higher self, and my guides, and the message was loud and clear. And the message was, Amelie, you have to talk to people about how to use gratitude to radically improve your life. And this is exactly what we are going to be talking in this video. So thank you so much for being here. So first of all, I'm sure if you're here, you've heard about the power of gratitude. Like, why is it that gratitude is actually a way to improve your life? Here's the thing, is that when you are sitting in complaining mode, for some reason, I'm there sometimes. So I'm sometimes in complaining mode where I really look at the negative. What happens is it's almost like you're putting some sort of like glasses, and the complaint, they're being filtered. So there's like the filter complaint, they're being filtered, and all you can see in the world is through the complaint glasses. So it's like if you start looking for ways that life is not good, life is not fair, how you are not successful, how everything sucks, unfortunately, whatever you focus on, you will find. And so those glasses of the complaint, because that's the filter, will tarnish everything that you go through and experience. And that actually lowers your vibration. Now, here's the beautiful thing. In a way for us to raise our vibration, so for us to feel better and to become more in alignment with who we are, because who we are high vibrational being. Like at the core, that's who you are. Like if you look at an infant, like a pure born infant who is laughing, full of joy, like that is who we are at the core. We are not meant to be in this lower vibration energy. Now, that doesn't mean that we do not experience hardship. No. We all do, and we should make space for our feelings. I talk about this all the time. This isn't about bypassing your current experience. This video is to show you how to use gratitude to radically improve your life. Here's the thing. If you can be grateful for what you currently have, and I mean currently have, for like someone who might be sleeping on the street, if this person in a homelessness situation can find gratitude for whatever they have, and if a person who has a home like myself, for example, which I'm very blessed, I do not take what I have for granted whatsoever. What happened was when you find gratitude for what you have in the most simplest form, like something as simple as a bed, like a comfortable bed, and a comfortable pillow to lie your head on, and the fact that like to have food available, like if you're hungry and there is food available in your home, regardless of what type of food, if you have something to fill your tummy anytime you're hungry, you are so rich and you are so blessed. So what happened is when we start having gratitude, the attitude of gratitude, but when we embody gratitude and we start saying thanks for everything and everything in our life, and I mean everything in your life, what happens is, yes, you raise your vibration, you automatically, it's like you're opening up a channel for the doors of the universe, for the universe, God's source energy, to give you more for you to be thankful and grateful for. This is kind of crazy. Gratitude, what my guides are kind of mentioning, is acts like a boomerang. It's like you send it out, it comes with a beautiful energy, and then the universe wants to match your frequency again of gratitude by constantly organizing, orchestrating situation, event, opportunities for you to say, wow, thank you. And they wanted me, my guides kind of like shared with me like an example. Like when my kids were 3 years old, I have twins. When they were 3, all I was doing it was so hard. First of all, it was a horrible birth. I went through postpartum depression. I dug myself out of the hole with the help of beautiful family members. I got out of there. I got stronger. But oh my God, was it ever hard to raise twins? Was it ever hard? They were good kids. It was just so hard for me. It was so hard because I lost my identity as a woman. Oh my goodness. And I used to complain. People would say, so how is it having twins? I'm like, it's hard. Oh my God, it's hard. And my lands were like so negative because it was so hard. I was complaining about, I can't even empty a dishwasher without it taking me 60 minutes, 45 minutes. I can't do anything. It's so hard. It's so hard. It's so hard. So the more I said that, the more I saw that it was hard, the more my energy was like kind of like low because I was in that like reality of like expressing my complaint, and that was my reality. That's all I saw. So I was negative, and I felt negative, and I felt guilty for feeling negative, and then I was judging myself because what kind of a mother is going to complain? I always wanted to have children. I was blessed to have children, and here I am complaining about having them. I should be more great. So all of that like kind of like energy, dense energy that I had to learn and go through that. But here is something, is I learned something. I don't know where I went, but I learned the power of gratitude. And it was like to literally use the power of gratitude and to also use the positive affirmation in order to change your reality. Now, I knew in the depths of my soul that it was going to get better, so I didn't have to lie to myself. So what I started to say is radically on a Monday morning, I woke up and I said to myself, no more Emily complaining about how life is so hard with twins. From now on, you are going to switch to it's getting better, because I could get behind that it's getting better. So every day, every time I had a thought that it was so hard, I'm like, no, Emily, it's getting better. Oh my God, it's getting better. It's getting better. Life with twins is getting better. I'm learning to manage. They're getting more independent. So I started to put a different set of glasses. And the glasses, same situation, but I started to say, life with twins is getting better. They're getting more independent, and I'm getting better at managing it. What would you happen? People started to ask, so how is it having twins? And I would answer, it's getting better every single day. Every week it's getting better. I'm learning to manage, and my children are getting more independent each and every single day. It's getting better. It's getting better, and it's a lot of fun. So I started actually really believing it. My energy started to raise, and would you believe that it actually truly within a matter of a day or two, things got better. For some reason, they were the same children. I had the same house chore to take care of. I still had the same job. I still had dishwashers to empty. But what changed was me. And I started to change, and I started to really look at it from a gratitude standpoint. And it literally changed everything. It literally did. So if you're here right now and you're watching this video, first of all, thank you so much. If you already practice gratitude, amazing, good for you, and congratulations. And you're probably seeing the effect on your life, the positive effect. If you're like, well, I don't really practice gratitude, I've heard about it, but I don't really practice, consider this your invitation. Consider this your invitation to literally see, where is it that you can practice gratitude? I remember last night I was hugging, my son came and he just needed a hug, and we're hugging, and I said, oh my God, I'm so grateful. Like, I actually practice gratitude every day, multiple times a day. It's like, it's literally part of my, like, I'm grateful for food, for water, for the sun, for the air I breathe, for the fact that I anything and everything, I find a reason to be grateful. And it keeps me in a really good, elevated state. So last night, he was hugging me because he needed me. And I said, wow, I'm so grateful for you right now. I'm so grateful for this morning, for this moment. And he said, yeah, I'm so grateful for this moment. And I said to him, I said, that's all I need. I don't need anything in my life. I don't need anything else than in this moment. I'm just so grateful to be in your company, in your arms, in each other's arm, and just know that I love you and you love me and we love each other. And that is like, in that moment, truly, it felt like I don't need anything else. I don't need a lot of subscribers on YouTube. I don't need to make a ton of money. I don't need any of that. These are just cherry on top of the sundae. What really matters is that I love him and he loves me, and that's all that matters. And truly, that is, to me, that is success. Is knowing that what I already have is enough. There was a song on TikTok. It went like this: everything that I need, I already have. Everything that I have is all that I need. Anything I desire, I will receive, because my reality is created by me. Like, everything that I need, I already have. Everything that I have is all that I need. Everything I desire, I will receive, because my reality is created by me. And that is really under the umbrella of gratitude, because everything that I need, I already have. Everything that I have is all that I need. So what do you currently have that you could be really, really grateful for? And I mean everything. You can be grateful from the fact that you woke up today and that you're breathing better than maybe yesterday. The fact that you can see the sun. The fact that you can afford a cup of coffee, that you can eat, that you can bring, maybe you took a hot shower. And even if you didn't, if you're living under like hard circumstance, like, what can you be grateful for and raise your vibration? Let me know in the comment if this was helpful. It was so nice to have you here. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with me. I believe in you, and I am so grateful for you, and I'm grateful for this opportunity to have this beautiful YouTube channel where I can share from my heart and hopefully positively impact those that are meant to be on my journey. Sending you so much love. If you're not subscribed here, consider subscribing here. And if you don't want to miss any of my live or any of my upload, just consider hitting the notification bell. Sending you so much love.